How to download and install Mecha Chameleon on your PC. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for store.steampowered.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go and simply tap on Install Steam and install Steam application in your PC. Once installed, open up your application. Inside here, you can simply tap on Store and then you can use the search bar to search for Mecha Chameleon. Scroll down and inside here, you need to go and simply tap on Buy or Install. If the game requires a purchase, complete the checkout process, and if you already own it, you simply continue to the next step. Once it is installed or once it is purchased, tap on Library. Inside here, you need to go and simply select Mecha Chameleon and then tap on Install. Choose your installation location and wait for the download to finish. After installation is completed, you can simply click on Play to launch the game and start playing. Before you begin, make sure that your PC meets the game requirements for the best experience. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.